Hi everyone, Ricky from Choose Packaging Supplies here. Today we're going to answer the question, what tape should I use for my job? And more importantly, why some tapes are categorized as specialty tapes. Think of tape as shoes. You don't wear flip-flops to a wedding, would you? I really hope you don't wear flip-flops to my wedding. Just as different shoes are suited for different occasions, different tapes excel for different jobs. We have all types of tape here. You have your carton sealing packing tape, we have our water activated tape, duct tape, masking tape, painter's tape, like bubble gum shrimp, we have every type of tape. We'll start with the packaging tape. Just like the name, packing tape, carton sealing tape, best for the job. Easy to use, inexpensive, gets the job done. Water activated tape, perfect for sealing boxes. Price wise, a little more expensive, but same thing, gets the job done. Duct tape is an industrial tape that's mainly used for HVAC and heavy duty construction jobs. The adhesive is very aggressive, and because ours is a natural rubber base, it will leave a residue. So it's not recommended for refined jobs. Like people call us to say, hey, can I use duct tape on a window job? And I don't recommend that because you're gonna have to spend a lot of time cleaning up the residue that it leaves. So definitely not ideal for finer jobs, but for heavy duty jobs and HVAC, duct tape is the way to go. Masking tape is a little trickier because we have so many different grades. But mainly it's designed, like the name, for masking off paint jobs to get a very clean edge. But we have general purpose, we have high temperature, painter's masking tape, and all of those do different types of jobs. Of course, people always try to use duct tape, masking tape, painter's tape, and anything else to seal boxes, but that's not what the ideal use for them is. So in the end, it's not about the best tape, it's about the best tape for your job. For more information about our carton sealing tapes and all of our specialty tapes, please visit our website at www.choosepkg.com.